Hello students, welcome to CAT 51, our fall semester short-term fully online class. My name is Sarah Haisoon and I will be your instructor. A brief introduction of myself is that I've been teaching at the Riverside Community College for a little over 10 years. I've been teaching office technology and computer application courses. I also teach part-time at Mount San Jacinto College. I'm currently teaching a keyboarding online class. My career, I've been in the clerical field education system since 1976. I started as a substitute clerk typist. I worked myself up to clerk typist, intermediate clerk, senior clerk, and office manager. When I relocated to Riverside County, I started working with the Murrieta Valley Unified School District as the principal secretary, and I was there for a few years. And then I decided that I wanted to go into teaching, so I pursued my education, and then that's when I applied for the Riverside Community College and Mount San Jacinto College. I have an associate's degree in management supervision from Mount San Jacinto College and a bachelor's degree from Cal State University of San Bernardino in vocational education, and I'm also certified to teach fully online classes. I'm going to talk a little bit about the class. It's an intermediate typing document formatting, and we're going to be using the SAM program, which is a web-based program to complete our keyboarding lessons. What I have right now is I currently have SAM linked into our Canvas course, which means that when you're ready to click on your keyboarding lesson, all you have to do is click the lesson and it takes you directly to the SAM program. So you don't have to keep logging in each time you want to complete a keyboarding lesson. You just need to log into Canvas, and from the modules, the weekly folders, you'll have the lessons on there with all the instructions. Also, I also wanted to let you know that in the Canvas grade book, it's going to show 100 points for every keyboarding lesson. That's incorrect, and right now we can't change that, so you're going to see that 100 points. But I have the points different with each lesson, so when you go to the lesson or the grade book, you'll be able to see how many lessons that particular lesson is worth. So don't rely on the Canvas grade book. I'll be having my own grade book where I'm going to be logging everything with the correct points. What I would like for you to do after you view this video is to click the modules in the navigation bar on the left hand side of your Canvas, and when you click modules, it's going to take you to the first week folder. You're going to see the introduction folder. So I want you to go through each item there. Like for example, you're going to have the welcome letter, the syllabus, instructions on how to use a discussion board, how to upload assignments. So all that I want you to go through first, and then from there you can proceed to the week 1 folder, which you'll see when you go into the modules folder. And you're going to have all the information on what you need to complete for the week. You'll have PowerPoint, you'll have the lessons overview, and then you're going to have the lesson, which I believe we start with lesson 56, and you're just going to click on it and it takes you directly to SAM, and from SAM you'll have the instructions of what needs to be done. You're going to have training that you can do with SAM. You can also do a project and an exam for each keyboarding lesson. You do not need to upload anything into Canvas. It will automatically save in the SAM program, and then I can go in and look at your results and your points. The only thing that you're going to be uploading through Canvas is if I have extra credit, which I usually do on the first week of class. You're also going to be checking in and introducing yourself for the first week, and I want to make sure you get that done right away on the first week, because if that's not completed, I'm going to start dropping students and adding students from the wait list. So you're going to be completing the keyboarding lessons. You're going to have discussion topics, and anything else that I post on the weekly assignment. Every Monday morning, you're going to see an announcement posted in the announcement section of Canvas, and that's going to let you know what's going to be completed for the week. So I want to make sure you read the announcements, then you proceed to the weekly folder to see what you need to complete for the week. I'm only going to open one folder 1 week at a time. That way it makes it easier for you to concentrate on whatever needs to be completed for the week. If you have any questions, you can send me an email, or in the discussion board in Canvas, I have a folder that is titled Help. So if you have any questions on the first week, or the SAM, or any information you might have that relates to the class, go ahead and ask the question, type it on the help forum. That way we can all help each other. So if a student knows the answer, you can jump in and answer that question. That way we all have the same information and we can help each other. Please do not get overwhelmed with the work. If you get a little behind, send me an email, let me know what's going on, and I can assist you, and that way you don't have to drop the class. So I welcome you to CAP 51 and looking forward to meeting all of you online. Thank you.